time I was inside out. Put my heart in your hands till it came back round. Didn't think that you'd fall so deep. Didn't know that I had it in me. Guess my sanity breaks away too.
Bring it to a heart, back down. Bring it to a heart, you're back and it's all your fault. Back down. Bring it to a heart, you're back and it's all your fault. Back down, back down, back down, back down. That's how it was and that's how it is. Back.
Linis ng kalsada mga ka-idol. Nueva Ecija. So almost 2 hours pa yung biyahe mga ka-idol papunta sa Gabaldon. Ang ganda ng daan.
You remind, don't know why I was upside down.
Gabaldon!
Had a flame in your eyes, all I saw was doubt. Paranoid, got lost in my own world. Made a choice, now it's too late to
Wala rin
return.
nakatatakin mga ka-idol.
Watch my sanity break
Sobrang
away
natakpan
too.
yung araw-araw.
Back down. Bring it to a heart, you're back and it's all your fault. Back down. Bring it to a heart, you're back and it's all your fault. Back down, back down, back down, back down. That's how it was and that's how it is. Back.
Kiri to! Dito yung daan pang Gabaldon. Ay, iba? So, papagod na kami ng Gabaldon mga ka-resort.
Back down.
Maligayang pagdating.
And it's all your fault. Back down. Bring it to a heart, you're back
Gabaldon,
and it's all your
baby.
fault. Back down. Bring it to a heart, you're back and it's all your fault. Back down, back down.
Alright. Hello, good morning mga ka-Izor. Today is special day. Woo! Sarap ng paligid. Magdadrive ako hanggang Lingayen. Special day, special morning. Woo! Tagal kong nanantay itong ride na to mga ka-Izor. Tagal ko na talagang gustong mag-ride mga ka-Izor. So time check natin, alas 4 ng umaga pa lamang. Saktong alas 4 tayo umalis ng bahay. So ang exact oras natin ay 4:08 ng umaga mga ka-Izor. Solo ride muna tayo papunta doon sa final meet up place namin mga ka-Izor. Thank you Lingayen. Babalik ako mamaya. So meet up place namin sa may Binmalay Centrum Fuel. Doon tayo mag-meet up. Yung iba kong kasama ay sabay-sabay na sila. So ang mga kasama pala natin ngayon ay ang aking mga kasamahan sa trabaho. Tagal na rin, ilang buwan na rin yung nakalipas simula nung nakasama ko sila sa ride. Ito yung pagkakataon na magkakasama ulit kami sa ride. So nandito na tayo sa may Binmalay. Din malay na tayo mga ka-Aizor. Magdadrive ako hanggang din malay. So siguro mga ka-Aizor is update ko na lang kayo mamaya pag kasama ko na yung mga kasamahan natin, or kung palis na kami sa aming meet up place mga ka-Aizor, no? Kasi medyo madilim pa. Siguro hindi ko alam kung mag-vlog pa ako mamaya or antayin ko na lang magliwanag. So see you later mga ka-Aizor. Yee! Haha! Peace out.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten.
Alright mga ka-Aizor, so update lang. Dito na kami sa part ng Rosales na pala kami mga ka-Aizor. So mahigit 2 oras pa yung lalakbayin namin mga ka-Aizor patungo sa aming destination. So time check natin is 5:25 na ng umaga. Mahigit 1 oras na rin yung biyahe namin. Rosales. Oh, bira mga ka-Aizor.
I fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside
Sabi, ganda ng daan.
my head. It's telling me to say the night again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts.
So balunggaw na tayo mga ka-Aizor.
So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
So ang pupuntahan namin mga ka-Aizor ay sa Gabaldon, Nueva Ecija. Haha.
Away together.
So tayo yung spearhead ngayon mga ka-Aizor. So 4 na motorsiklo kami, 4 motorcycle. Then ako lang yung may backride ngayon. So nakapag long ride din ulit tayo.
Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together.
tayo ng Umingan mga ka-idol. Umingan na tayo. Tagal pa ng biyahe natin. Natin hindi tayo umabot ng 90 mga ka-idol, pero yung makina natin gigil na umiiyak na. Open na open yung daan. Sagad na yung throttle natin mga ka-idol. Yan na yung rider sa likod natin. Ha? Ha? Oo, una kayo. So hanap daw na ang gas station yung isa naming kasama. Ang daan boy. Oh, banda na oh. May malagaw sila eh. Matatanaw ko na. Malayo pa kami. With Team Idol. Sarap. Madali 2 hours 10 minutes na. Alright, back to the road. Nakasilaw na yung haring araw. linis ng kalsada mga ka-idol. Wapo naman eh. Palabas na tayo ng Indian mga ka-idol. Nueva Ecija. Oh, dyan sila. Nueva Ecija.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire